Hey there and welcome to the channel. Today's tutorial is all about setting up shipping costs on your Wix website in 2024. Whether you're just opening an online store or refining your delivery options, knowing how to properly add and customize shipping charges is critical not just for your business but for giving your customers a clear and smooth experience. By the end of this video, you'll confidently know how to set a flat shipping rate, offer free shipping for higher value purchases, and make sure your delivery estimates are clear as day. Let's jump right in and get your shipping settings sorted. All right. First things first, go ahead and log into your Wix account. You'll want to use your main credentials, the ones you use to manage your site. If you've got a couple of Wix projects, take a moment to look through your dashboard and select your web store. It may sound simple, but picking the right project is crucial, especially if you manage multiple sites for clients or you're growing to have more than one online store. Make sure it's the store where you want to set up or change shipping. Now, once you're inside the dashboard for your selected store, look for the Settings section. This is where all the behind-the-scenes magic happens for your website. Everything from payments to business info to, of course, shipping settings. It's easy to navigate, but take your time to make sure you're not missing any options. Under Business Solutions, you're going to see Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. Go ahead and click that. This menu is like your shipping control panel. Here, you can manage costs, delivery times, pickup options, and more. For businesses, getting these settings right means fewer customer questions and smoother transactions. Now under Shipping, let's go ahead and click Edit. Think of this as cracking open the details for your current shipping rules. If your store is pretty new, or if you haven't adjusted shipping before, you might see that your shipping is currently set to free by default. While free shipping is tempting from a customer's point of view, many stores need a flat shipping rate to cover costs, especially for smaller orders. So for the next step, change the shipping from free to flat rate. What this does is set a fixed shipping price, regardless of what the customer orders. For our example, let's say you want the flat rate to be $200. If you're not sure what to charge, take a moment to look at your recent delivery receipts or ask your carrier about average costs. Setting a rate that matches your actual expense helps you avoid losing money while still being fair to your customer. You'll also want to estimate the delivery time frame. In the settings, adjust the estimated delivery to 5 days. Why does this matter? Well, customers love to know when they can expect their orders. And having a clear estimate means fewer anxious emails and much more trust in your shop. If your product is local, 5 days might be perfect. If it ships farther, you can adjust accordingly to match your typical carrier speeds. Here's an extra bonus you can add. Enable the Offer Free Shipping when purchase hits 5,000 option. This is a classic sales booster. It encourages bigger orders by offering free shipping above a certain amount. It's a win-win. Your customer saves money, and you increase your cart size. You can easily toggle this in the settings. Wix will take care of the math on checkout. Once all your changes look good, go ahead and click Save. Don't worry if it takes a couple of moments for settings to update. Sometimes Wix just needs to reload the dashboard, especially if you're changing a few rules at once. Take a breath and check that your new shipping rate and free shipping offer are showing up as you intended. And that's it. Your Wix store now charges a flat $200 for shipping, gives free shipping for orders over 5,000, and informs every customer of a quick 5-day delivery window. This setup creates clarity and professionalism for your buyers and helps your business run smoother behind the scenes. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help or clarify a step. And if you want more practical, easy-to-follow guides for building your online business, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.